Hello and welcome to the Transforming Ideas to Innovation video series. This is our 5th video in the Arduino series. Today we will look at how to connect an analog input and use that input to control the blinking of an LED, a circuit that we've done at the very beginning. We will see how we can add more realistic component to it. The analog component that we will use as an input today is a potentiometer. This is a potentiometer, which is a variable resistor. It has 3 legs, 1, 2, 3. This is a 5 kilo ohm resistor. However, we can vary or change the resistance using this knob. So just by moving the knob, we can change the value of the resistance. This is exactly the same as what you have in the volume in your car or the dimming light that you might have at home. So what we will do is the following. We will connect the circuit. We will use the knob to control how fast the light is blinking. So the first part of the circuit is to connect power, which I've done already. The next part of the circuit is to connect the rest of the components. We will need an LED, 220 ohm resistor, our variable resistor, and some wires. So let's get to it. Starting with the LED, I'll use a red LED in this case, and one 330 ohm resistor. We'll connect the LED in here. The positive is the long leg, as we did always, and the short is the negative. I'll connect it over here. Let's connect it over here. I'll connect the resistor between the negative leg, and then the other end will connect it anywhere. Eventually we'll connect it to ground. We'll use a black wire to connect to ground. And the positive will be controlled from the Arduino. Now we'll leave this for now. Let's connect the potentiometer first. The potentiometer has 3 legs. Connect one leg to ground, the other leg to power, and the middle leg is sent to the analog input. Doesn't matter which one goes where, it's symmetric. So I'll connect it over here. I'll put it this way so we can control it. And the 3 legs are going to be connected such that one goes to ground, one goes to power. Let's pick this one to ground. Pick this one to power. And the one in the middle will connect it to my analog input. So this goes to analog input. I'll choose A0 as my analog input. Can be any. Now, to control the blinking of the LED, I need the output to be changing. So it's not just on and off, it's going to be variable. So just like what we did with the servo motor, we're going to connect it to one of the PWM outputs, which are pins number 3, 5, 6, and 9, 10, 11, any of them. In my example in here, I'll use pin number 9. So I'll take a wire from the positive end to pin number 9 in the Arduino. And now my circuit is complete. Next thing we do is connect the circuit. The circuit has already been programmed. And as we will see, the blinking of the LED can be controlled using the potentiometer. Is our basic blink program with minor modifications. If you look on the screen, you will see that all we did is changed the amount of delay from 1 second to the actual value of the analog input. So, simple circuit and minor modification can give us much more flexibility in our circuit. Okay. In the next circuit, I'll just show you how to connect the same exact setup, but instead of controlling the blinking of the LED, you can actually change directly the intensity of the LED. This can simply be done with minor modifications to the software. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.